Hey, what's up you guys? It's Christiana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As many of you may know, there has been a virus that's been spreading since December 2019. This pandemic is called the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. The pandemic is when an epidemic spreads throughout the world. The virus is not the same as SARS because the mortality rate is much lower for COVID-19. The symptoms of the virus include fever, runny nose, cough, sore throat, and in more severe cases, difficulty breathing. However, the symptoms don't show until 14 days of already being infected. To prevent contracting the virus, avoid close contact with people and frequently wash your hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds. If soap and water aren't available, use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. In our current reality, many have had challenges finding hand sanitizer in stores everywhere. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make your own hand sanitizer at home with just 2 ingredients. So let's just get started. So the 2 ingredients you need are aloe vera gel and rubbing alcohol. On other recipes I saw you can use like 99%, but I'm just using 91%. So it's gonna work the same way. I think you can also use like the 60% stuff if you can find that, because the World Health Organization says to use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. So I'm pretty sure you can use 60% alcohol or anything more than that for your own hand sanitizer. I got this from CVS Pharmacy and this from Walgreens. You're also going to need containers to put it in. This was from Walgreens as well. This one comes with 2 bottles. I think I'm going to be using these 2, as well as a spray bottle and then 2 other little containers. And I got 2 of them. This one's open. You'll also need a funnel. This is like for the car motor oil stuff, but it's clean, so we're gonna use that. A spoon, a measuring cup. I just have the 1/3 cup because this is what you're gonna need. And finally, you need a bowl to mix everything in. So for this, you need 2/3 of a cup of rubbing alcohol and 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera. So without further ado, let's just start making our own hand sanitizer. So we're gonna start off by opening this. I don't know how bad it is if you get it in your eyes or mouth, but just don't. Yeah, don't swallow it, and if you do swallow it, then call poison control. So I just poked a hole in this. I think this is already open. Yeah, this one's already open. So we're gonna start off by doing the rubbing alcohol. So you're gonna take your measuring cup, put it over just in case it spills. This is a 1/3 cup. This is what's actually gonna kill the germs on your hand. Now that we did the alcohol, we're gonna do the aloe vera gel now. For this, you're just gonna need 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel. And we're just gonna put this in. Oh, I thought it was gonna splat everywhere. You can also add 8 to 10 drops of an essential oil, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna mix it. So when you do the 2/3 cup of alcohol and 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel, then the consistency is going to be really watery. If you want it to be thicker and more like a gel, then just add more of the gel than you do the alcohol. The really watery and runny sanitizer is best for like spray bottles, and the gel would be better for like the squeeze bottles and stuff like that. I also just store mine in the refrigerator. I don't know if that makes it thicker or not, but I just keep mine in the refrigerator because I didn't want to lose them, so I just popped them in there. Now once it's all mixed, you're gonna put it into your little container thing. I'm gonna ask for help, and yeah. Mom, can you help me? Okay, just come in, say hi.
Yes, I know. My mom, she didn't want to help me.
Okay, so all you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this like this. This one's in a spray bottle and this one's in like a regular bottle. It smells and feels just like a sanitizer. It's just these are more liquidy. We decided to put them in the fridge to see if they're gonna solidify a little bit more. But that is how you make your homemade hand sanitizer with only 2 ingredients. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really hope you guys use this recipe. That is all for this video, and let's be safe out there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.